Right, guys, I know I have been a little late on this one. Starrynift is the new project that's on the Binance Web3 wallet. All you got to do is follow them on Twitter, follow Binance Web3 on Twitter, and put your uh, Twitter account, and that's it. That's the first one. And the second one is you have to mint the ownership pass, which is on the BNB chain. And once that's done, you have to vote, and that's on OPBNB network. And you have to do this on a daily basis. And yeah, basically that's it. And yeah, and there is one more thing, I believe. Yeah, you have to mint the badge as well. This is also on the OPBNB network. And if you haven't really claimed your what do you call, if you haven't made any transaction on the OPBNB network, I have made a previous video on revox. Just watch that. You will know how to, you will see how to bridge between BNB and OPBNB. I will give the link below. Just go ahead and watch that video and use that link to bridge your BNB. So that's it for today, guys. I haven't been well. I haven't been making any videos. So hopefully I'll do another one tomorrow about a couple of other projects that's coming up. And yeah, stay connected. Thank you.